আবার কন্টিনিউ করছি এই সেক্সুয়াল রিপ্রোডাকশনটা, কারণ কোয়েশ্চেনটা ছিল হোয়াই দ্য সেক্সুয়াল মোড অফ রিপ্রোডাকশন। এবার ডিএনএ কপিং জানলাম, ভেরিয়েশনস এটা জানলাম, error of copying of DNA produces the variations, and this is the survival of the fittest that we will know. But why it is necessary the sexual reproduction? ডিএনএ কপিং, ডিএনএ সেলফ কপিং, এই যে ডিএনএ নিজে নিজে যে কপি হচ্ছে, রেপ্লিকেশনস, ওকে, দিস ওয়ান অ্যান্ড ভেরিয়েশন প্রোডাকশন ইজ কোয়াইট স্লো, কিছুটা স্লো. It can be speeded up by sexual reproduction because the DNA variations accumulated in male individual after each copying, say 10, okay, and so accumulated in female individual, say 10. The total variation is 20. So from the male comes 10 and female comes 10. So total variations are 20. Okay, and instead of 10 of each. If 20 variants are allowed to mix, then new variants of DNA combination from two individuals during reproduction is possible. If each new generations to be combined of the DNA copies from the pre-existing individual, তারপরে কি হয়, it would end up, এটা শেষ হবে in twice the DNA of the previous generation. কারণ এটা যেহেতু pre-existing DNA copies from the pre-existing individual, that's why it is the DNA twice of the previous generation copies, তারপরে গিয়ে এটা শেষ হবে, and the cell apparatus would be confused. Hence specialized tissues are only involved in the production of DNA copies for next generation. সেই জন্য একটা specialized tissues involved হয় in the production of DNA copies for next generation. The cells that have half of the number of chromosome DNA as compared to other body cells, that is called germ cells, okay, and half the number of chromosomes amount. So chromosome যদি 2n থাকে তাহলে সেটা কি হবে, n n n n. They produce sex cells called gametes. So how gametes is formed? The germ cell in the body are with the half of the number of chromosomes of DNA amount, and the male gametes and female gametes become united and then form the zygote. And after this zygote, the serially the sequences of